Well, welcome back, everyone. Taking a live look outside this morning. There we are. We're at the Gobble Gallop, just on the blocks from Fox 21 Studios. The annual Gobble Gallop 5K set to kick off in just a few minutes. The event is a Thanksgiving tradition for many. You should be down there right now,
I'm
right?
going.
Before packing on the calories later today with good family and friends. I'm just going to gobble right out of here and let you do your forecast.
All right. So as we take a look outside right now, temperatures are a little chilly, crashing behind that system that moved on out of here, dropped 20 inches of snowfall into Guile, Wisconsin. My goodness. Now we're sitting in those teens to mid-20s here across the Northland. Winds are much, much calmer here right now, but it's still creating a wind chill of the single digits out there across the North Shore. So bundle up. Mostly cloudy skies with a few pockets of sunshine, but visibility reduced to 1 mile into Ashland as lake effect snow hits the South Shore here this late morning. It's going to turn up to the North Shore as we head through the late afternoon. The rest of us stay just mostly cloudy out there. Of course, temperatures today rising into those upper 20s for our Thanksgiving, a high of 28 degrees, low 30s down into northwest Wisconsin today. And of course, a winter storm watch in effect from Friday through Sunday, where we can see about 3 to 12 inches. Thanksgiving, everybody. You gotta cook that bird, cook it up, cook it good. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
And cook it thoroughly before serving.
Cook that bird, cook it up, cook it good. Oh yeah, we're excited. We gotta have some fun on Thanksgiving.
Cook it up, cook it up, oh yeah.
Cook that bird, cook it up, cook it good. Cook that bird, cook it up, cook it good.
Be sure to cook that bird to 165 degrees Fahrenheit.
There you have it, the 2019 Cook That Bird remix.
Oh my goodness.
You may recall last year, Brittany started the song Cook That Bird.
Yep, cook that bird, cook it good. Oh yeah, oh
We had another-
I don't know the rest of it, but that's how it kind of went.
Last year we had another turkey hat,
Yes,
but we
did.
lost it.
Yep, we lost it. Oh
Yeah,
well, have a
so
good.
that's that, right? Well, thank you for watching on this Thanksgiving morning. We'll post that on our Facebook later,
Yeah,
so you
share
can
it.
listen to it all day long. Have a great day.
It's catchy. It's gonna get stuck in your head. Happy Thanksgiving.
Woo! We're all gonna come and then we're gonna all go. That's what we're gonna do. We're getting used